If you're a painting business owner and you're trying to change your company, you're trying to grow it, you're trying to scale it, you've tried systems, processes, KPIs, every other three-letter acronym that you can imagine, one tip that you might want to think about, and it's very simple, is to change yourself as a leader. You see, you can't really change your external world without first changing your internal world. How you think, how you speak, what the things you believe. And a mentor of mine said, Paul, trying to change the outside world before you change the inside world is kind of like expecting a mirror to smile first. It's just not going to happen. It has to start with inside of you in order for the reflection to come back to you. So although this isn't a breakthrough tip, it's a tip that's often overlooked when you're trying to scale, trying to grow your painting business, trying to change your painting business. And what I recommend you do is look inward. Think about what you're telling yourself. What do you believe about yourself? What are the quotes or the sayings you're telling yourself? What are the monkeys saying to you every day when you lose that job, when somebody bids $1,000 cheaper and you lost it, when you have a hard time collecting, when you lose workers, when times are tough? What are you telling yourself? Are you filling your mind with positive thoughts, optimism, possibilities of the future? Or are you negative talking and creating certain self-beliefs, self-limiting beliefs that really prevent you from growth? So that's all the tip of today is just what resides inside of you becomes your external reality. So growing your painting business is more than just working on the business and the exterior side of it. It starts with you, the painting business owner, and how you perceive it, what you want, and what you project. And my final tip is always write down your goals. Always write them down so that when you write them, you think them, you see them, and you read them. And that's a powerful thing. Enjoy the day, guys.